Why do 80% of weight loss journeys fail? Because they forget to train the most powerful muscle, your mind. It's time to harness the power of your mind for weight loss. First up, visualize your success. Imagine your ideal self, feeling confident and unstoppable. Next, positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am strong, I am capable, I can do this. Say it loud, say it proud. Your subconscious mind is a powerful ally. Feed it positive thoughts daily. Think of it like planting seeds. What you water grows. And don't underestimate the power of routine. Consistency is key. Wake up with purpose, stick to your plan, and watch the results roll in. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey. Learn from them and keep moving forward. You've got this. Mind over matter, folks. Your brain is your secret weapon for weight loss success. Believe it, achieve it. Stay motivated, stay strong, and keep pushing forward. Let's crush those goals together. See you at the finish line. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardmante.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing the like button and subscribe to get future awesome videos. Thank you for watching.